buckle up. Tesla buys 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and they're talking about accepting it as a payment. I've been watching, and I'm pulling it up right now too as we're talking about this. But if anybody out there has not jumped on the Bitcoin wagon or Ethereum wagon or any of the cryptocurrency wagons, you guys need to think about your life right now.
It's crazy because I seen articles actually being posted after Tesla dropped 1.5 billion into Bitcoin, and they literally said after they did that, obviously Bitcoin, the price of the coin went up because that's a lot of money to be flooded into it, and they said that after they did that, because Bitcoin went up, they made a profit of $300 million, which is more than the profit that Tesla's made in the last 14 years combined.
That's insane, man. That's insane. But yeah, we were talking about this not that long ago, that actually you and me were talking about this on a private call about and I forgot who said it, but they were saying if you're thinking about retirement, that you should own at least 7 Bitcoins. And this was when the Bitcoin was about maybe 20,000. At that time, it was worth 20,000. Before that, I think it was worth like 17 or 18,000.
Oh yeah, it's literally doubled within the last few months.
Yeah. So the thing that we were reading was, if you're looking at retirement in today's day and age, and if you're looking for a way to do it within the next 10 years, 7 complete Bitcoin is where you're going to want it. You don't know where it's going to be 7 years from now, but the way the market's going, and it is a yo-yo effect, it's doing something, obviously. And I know we've seen a couple of the Bitcoin, what are they calling it? Bull runs?
Yeah, they're definitely bull runs. Now, I do have to put the disclaimer in there. We are not financial advisors. We are not accountants. We are not lawyers. We are just random people on the internet, and these are just our thoughts. So
yeah. Have you heard? Okay, so now I'm going on a tangent. Have you heard of oh my gosh, is it Lonely Island?
No.
Incredible Thoughts. No, you haven't heard that song?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm not gonna sing it. I don't want to get in trouble. I'm gonna send you the link. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, look up Incredible Thoughts. It might be from the movie Superstar. I don't know. It's from the guys from Saturday Night Live. It's a great song. It's funny. But anyway, yeah, so we're not financial advisors, but it doesn't take much to look at this stuff and look at what the investments are. Now, the one thing that I do tell people when they start looking into this stuff is, when you buy, you're buying in for the long run. Like, it's very tempting to go in and be like, ooh, look, it looks like there is a dip in the market, so I'm going to buy when it's at the lowest. And then as soon as it goes right back up, I'm going to sell. It's so tempting because you'll get that little bit of return. With Bitcoin, it's a little bit different. A lot of people that are doing this Bitcoin are just like, dude, when you're in there, there's a saying that one of my buddies, we got to get him on the show. He's hilarious, dude. He keeps saying, hold the line.
Hold the line.
Hold
the hands.
Yeah. Hold the line. And you know what? I'll tell you this. When I jumped into Ethereum, I bought in at $920. $920. Right now, it's at $1,700. And I'm going to throw this out there. I bought 4 Ethereum coins, 4 complete Ethereum coins. I had to do it because I'm just like, dude, this is really good. Everyone's saying Bitcoin. What is it? Bitcoin's like gold, Ethereum's like oil, or is it the other way around?
I haven't really heard that one. The way that it's kind of worked in my head is a little bit different than that, but yeah.
Yeah, it's like Bitcoin is your number 1, Ethereum is your number 2. and Bitcoin is really like pushing a lot of this stuff. Now, Litecoin, I think, is ranked number 4. Bitcoin Cash is ranked number 3. I think it is. I forget what the ranking order is, but it's those two. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two that everyone is talking about and investing in.
So I'm going to throw a couple things out as advice, but I'm not a financial advisor.
Here you
Okay.
go.
So take it with a grain of salt, whatever you guys want to do. Anytime you're investing into anything, understand your risk factors. When you're investing into stocks and cryptocurrency, your payout is better than buying a lottery ticket. But just like buying a lottery ticket, you can lose all your money, right? That money doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get paid out. The other thing is understand market trends. Start to do your research. Back in October of 2020, I had a feeling. I mean, I did my research and I thought I saw cryptocurrency going up. And this is a story from this week, a personal story. I decided to go around the market, the stock market, and find all of the stocks that were related to cryptocurrency that was under $3. And I didn't have a lot of money. I bought like 20 shares here, 30 shares there. And once this all happened with Bitcoin, those $2, there was one $2.28 a share. I had bought 28 of them, and they shot up to $28 a stock from $2. So once you start to understand the trends, understand how those affect other things in the market, and be smart with your investments. But don't play with money you don't have or that you can't afford to lose.
Don't put your house for sale.
Man,